Great and beautiful morning and evening to you all, wherever you are joining me at this hour. Welcome to 371 edition of InvestData Trading Academy live with Ambrose. Yes, I would say that the global market, as we speak, this is the first trading day of the week. I see that market across the globe are missed as we speak right away. Most of these markets are opening lower, while we expect others to be missed. Like US market, we are seeing it lower. That of Europe is missed now, and that of Asia is equally also mixed. I will tell you that no fear of especially inflation data that is coming across this mature economy is also what investors are waiting to see. How it's going to give insight what Fed will be doing and different central bank of different domain. That's why we are seeing that market is opening on a mixed section today because West Corp eyes want to see no inflation figure from US, knowing that this is very important for Fed. For that, all eyes are now inflation figure for US in the spotlight for this week. Why as well as global market across the globe, as the global market also looking forward to different this expected consumer price index for this month of or for the last month of October. And these figures will determine where the market will move to speedily. Because don't forget that I've said that repeatedly here that Fed have said that they depend on what on economic data to guide their decision whether to hike or not. And also the governor of European Central Bank said no, it is too early to kind of hike rate again. That they want to watch to see what will happen and see what the growth. That means on depend on data. And don't forget that in that zone we've seen some weak no economic outlook for eurozone. We're not there yet, but we're looking at what is going to happen in Asia market as we speak. But I believe that this is what is shaping the market this morning. And no October report, like I just said, is going to give a direction to give a clue what the Fed policy outlook will look like. And that's why. But like I always say, that in any market where you trade, you must have a plan and let your plan guide you. And where plan guide you, you have the word, your entry and your exit word, and your profit target. And what again is that in any market you are trading, you should have a strategy to guide you. Are you trading with technical analysis? Are you trading based on fundamental? Are you combining these two? It's very, very important because I like down here I've said this in one or two places during the weekend that this is the time for every investor that thing that you have to protect your portfolio. Why you need to hedge your portfolio. Hedging is part of a investment on trading strategy any day, anytime in the world. That means hedging not only hedging against inflation, hedging against your own portfolio so that when the market start pulling back, you won't be panicking to sell in loss. Because I tell you, anytime you panic in any market, you make mistake. But when you are planned that they were expected to do a correction and you lay plan on it, how you can go into defensive stocks and those that don't that their earnings will sustain them because there are some stock that will not move the trend of the market if market is coming down because of what is going for such stock or such sector. You must put it what in the back of your mind. That's why I said in any market cycle, whether there is bull or bear, market players are expected to prepare for what a correction, a pullback, or a meltdown, or a sell of anything you want to call it. And my question is in this class: are you prepared? Are you prepared? When we say prepared, I'm not saying the market will go down tomorrow. Or I'm the market will go down next year. But it's part of because we have seen our market here running in Nigeria for almost 4 years now, and we're seeing how inflation, our market have gone ahead of inflation in Nigeria this year. That means there are bound also to be correction in the market. We're not saying going to be correct tomorrow or next week, but because you have that at the back of your mind, you know how to prepare your portfolio. It's very, very important because I tell you that anything that goes up must come down. And when I say don't fall in love with up market, I didn't say, up market is an enemy to us. No, up market gives you opportunity to sell high, to make money. But when you fall in love with the because it's going high, but I think your portfolio is just a paper, profit. It's in green, you are seeing there, but until when you cash it out, as I said, you must have your trading plan. That your trading plan must contain, like always repeated, in different classes, that you must have your plan that has what your buy range, your stop loss, your profit target, and also what are you using to trade? Are you using analysis to read the chart, to read the sentiment, the psychology of the people? You must have all this at the back of your mind, and that is why you must invest with knowledge. And don't forget that stock market also is not a rich quick. No, that is not very risky. No, it takes hard work, and that's what have patience and work to persevere, and also knowledge. And this knowledge is what you and I is sharing here, gathering on different fora to discuss and also can persuade our mind. And when I said you should prepare yourself, doesn't mean that you should stop investing. When you prepare yourself, you invest and you invest wisely. As you are investing, invest to protect yourself from what downside of the market. That's the thing. That's why you are investing. And also those that are long term and also and also the short term, you have to the power of what compound interest in in portfolio building. You must have all this at the back of your mind. What I say is that in the coming investment 2024, because we understand that market will not remain in operation. That is why those that have started paying it, I think they are taking the wise decision. And if you are not, you have to do so, because you must understand if the market correct next year, all the money I've made this year, where have I put them? If you have put them in in some good investment that even when market correct, you won't be complete, because those also start making money also to buy more stuff at a lower price again. Good. That's why you must prepare. I will say that market is going to fall down next week of December. But if you add at the back of your mind, in that kind of a forum, trader investors summit, we're going to discuss more on different investment window, how you can take advantage of them. You can't say go and put your money now in fixed income. It depends on your investment objective to go and put your money in fixed income, because fixed income is below inflation. But which other sector can I move? What can I do now that even market correct tomorrow, I will not be able to say, I made no money now for 4 years, or for this year, market has been up. Where is it? Because you fail to move the money from the market. But there are some that they are only paying equities alone, and they have made money. Then what are you going to do next? If equities start correcting, you must start planning all this one in your investment. It's very, very key. That's why I'm emphasizing on it. Yes, back to the market, we're looking at the Asia market. Like I said earlier, the Asia market, there was the Japanese wholesale inflation that came in. That one I've shown that there's a slowdown, a sharp slowdown in terms of as a result of cost pressure. One, they tell you that in Japan, I want to say that they know what they are doing. Japan inflation is already cooling down, and don't forget that they utter who was that to utter their negative interest rate. They did it, but still, we're seeing that they always total controlling their inflation in that environment. Despite that general Asia market is mixed, we know that why China is still having heat there because of what the weak macroeconomic data that's emerging from China. But I think that is also affecting the oil market as speak, which is the commodity market, in terms of the two biggest economy, US and China, because of their demand, and also global focus, their demand is going down, demand is weak. That's also why you see oil price, even when Russia and Saudi Arabia and all of them are trying to cut production in terms of oil, but still the price at this morning are open lower again. It tells that demand and supply is very, very important, and it's very, very key. That's why you must balance all this as a trader or investor to know exactly what to do. Yes, we expect to see some earnings also this week over there, but that earnings also determine how far the market will go. It is very, very also important that we note all this this kind of environment right away. Of course, you must understand where is the market going. Like I said, Asia is mixed, and also if you look at what is happening in Europe market, I've said it earlier. Remember that the weak eurozone economic outlook is also way down in that market, even when others are still on some earnings. The market try to interpret what fashion would market go this morning. Investors are really looking at global growth outlook, to see the future in the policy of central banks. Are they going to continue in this course? Okay, or entering into the new year, how is it going to look like? All this outlook also is what investors are looking at. If the outlook for eurozone becoming worse, these are the things investors are looking at to see, so that they can know how to play their card between now and at the beginning of the year. But central banks also are the spotlight this time. Investors are looking to see where is the potential for what the global banks to keep interest rates higher for a longer as what attempted to combat to combat inflation. These are the things we're also going to look at, because in the last meeting I told you that the governor of European Central Bank said last week, that said that we still also restrictive quotas as regard where inflation, where interest rate will go as scheduled. Let's see what will happen today, to hear from these key speakers in that environment, to see if we want to see a clear direction where they are going. We saw what the Fed chairman said last week as concerning the Fed and outcome. These are the things that we expect that is going to also to shape the market as we also have to speak right away. But if you look at what is happening in US market, you can see even when some earnings are coming today, like we expect to see that of home depot and also target within the result this today. But market is already factoring in. But because of this expectation of US no inflation data, consumer price data, I will tell you market is already open lower in that environment to see how the figure will look like. Because like I said, I told you that this outcome of the number they're going to release will determine or give a direction, a clue what Fed will be doing in their next meeting. Yes, we have seen that they paused in their last policy meeting. What next? Because this is going to shape shape market direction, and because we see that Treasury yield in that environment rebounded, after the news that they can increase rate any but to extend the cycle for rate hike. You can see how all these news can also affect market. That's why you must understand what the market is happening in the environment you are, and also what are you looking to know exactly where to go with the market where you are playing. These are very, very important in that any of us that is trading the market have to have it at the back of our mind. It's very, very key. Once you have that at the back of your mind, it will help you to work to make informed decisions. But I believe that investor in any market should be guided and be guided well, especially when you are trading your plan. Don't assume, because when we are assuming, you are about to do what to do, or we are throwing bad wagon because you don't have what is guiding you. You are not trading your plan. It also is very, very dangerous. You must know the source of your fund, how long you to stay in the market, what kind of stock you should buy. That's why you must have a goal. And also, you must set targets, because if you are too greedy in the market, you are about to get. But if you are too fearful, you are about to jump out of what the winning trade. You must balance all this, and you balance all this work through knowledge of what is happening in the market. That's why I said you must understand also the five phases of the market, of four phases of the market: the accumulation, the markup, distribution, and the markdown or the decline. Once you understand these phases, it's going to also help you to make also another informed decision when you are playing this market. But when you are entering the market with guess, that is where I said, no, I am not happy or go, because you are guessing. Anybody is guessing what you are doing, you are bound to get your finger work born, because you are not doing that trading with knowledge. So knowledge is key in any market, in any investment you are trading, or any window you are using. You must understand what you are doing in that market and what you are about to do in that market. Yes, before we go to live market, because I'll tell you that our market is a bit silent today. This first trading day of the week, but I think that the market has opened in the mid direction. We saw it in the red, in the green early, enter red, back again in green. This consolidation has continued this morning. But before we come to the market, we want to look at the few results that also that we are yet to analyze. I've told you that we've been analyzing results, every day. Today we are looking at the Wapco and Berger. Tomorrow we're looking at what Dangote and what Dangote cement and Boa cement. But today we're looking at the Wapco cement with the Lafarge cement and what and Julius Berger. These are the two companies we're looking at their earnings this morning to see where they are going and what we can get from it to guide us to hold our position or also to start selling our position. We need to know all this so that we know exactly what we are doing in the market. We don't need to guess when we have information. Rather, we take advantage of what is happening in the market to know exactly what to do as investor or a trader. Yes, if you look at the result that came from Julius Berger, let's start from there. Julius Berger, for me, this number is impressive, and we know the nature of Julius Berger activities in terms of construction, and construction and building materials go together. They're almost the same industry. Construction, building material, but related, but because we want to break them by using, but we want to look at them, but on separately on their own. If you look at what is happening in the construction industry today in Nigeria, I think the only company I say that is quoted that who are not can partake that is quoted is Julius Berger. Other one, road and others, they are not as active as Julius Berger. Today, if you look at the number that are money for Julius Berger, it shows that they have capacity to pay good dividend from this number at the end of the year. This third quarter, 9 months result, we have seen yes, because of also high cost of involved in their activities. We have seen that their profit margin is not attractive compared to what we are seeing in financial sector and other service sector that also on the exchange. But for the figure we are seeing improvement in their earnings. If this earnings sustain, I see a good dividend higher than what they paid last year, which is good for us. That's why the price pulling back to around 34 naira, 50 to go, 58 to go. For me, it's a good one for design investors, especially those that are looking for income, because we have different objectives being in the market. We some are traders, some are income investors, dividend investors, but we look at also are there for future to build wealth and to build value in their portfolio. That is why you must find stuff that will go in that direction that what you want to achieve. As I say, your goal, your objective is very, very important. If you look at the result that came from Julius Berger, see that total revenue or gross revenue or what we call it, either revenue or turnover for this period moved from 309.8 billion to 333.4 billion, all by what? All by 8%. You can say it's not to 10%, but I'll tell you it's a good one. If top line is looking up, and also if you look at the bottom line, this is 333.4 billion, translated to 9 billion naira against 6.96 billion in 2022. That translates to what? 29% in the green. But if you look at the earning per share, which is what every investor like you and I are interested, is that this 9 billion has translated to what? 5 naira 63 kobo earning per share against 4 naira 36 kobo posted in 2022. And don't forget that in 2022, overall earnings for this company was around this most 5 naira, this 5 naira 20 kobo that they paid 2 naira 50 kobo. As at third quarter, they're already surpassing what they posted at full year. For me, it's a good one for Julius Berger. But this one, with this 5 naira 60 kobo, you can project that at the end of the day, we expect to see nothing less than 6 naira 80 kobo or 7 naira from this company. And I'll tell you, this company can confidently pay you in between 3 naira and 3 naira 50 kobo if the earning hits 7 naira as forecasted. And not good that it's a company that also has good payout from their earnings. For me, I expect this that investors should also look the way of Julius Berger on the strength of what on their number, because depending on your investment objective, whether you are income investor or trader, it might not be moved immediately. For those that are ending for dividend, you should know where you should start with your money right away. And this translates to what? To profit margin of 2.7 against 2.3 in 2020. You can see that the profit margin is very low, nothing to write about it, but that's that the company is still putting the earnings that support their payout because of the nature of their service. But despite that, we will say that you can see that they are making more turnover, but what they are retaining as profit is small. Out of almost 333, just 9 billion is what we are retaining as real profit after cost, after tax and everything. But that the cost of operation is also eating more. You can see what is happening in Nigeria today because of exchange rate and all those stuff. It's all reflecting, but good that this company has keep pace with posting a better number. If you look at the company balance sheet, I'll tell you that the balance sheet is very, very strong. And for me, for the net assets of this company, I'll tell you this number was really that surpassed the full year net profit for 2022. That means that I'll tell you, when I said the earnings almost can see also the net assets of the company as at third quarter is more than what the whole net assets of the company in 2022. This is also a plus for Julius Berger. Operating cash also have turned positive. The operating cash flow has also turned positive from a negative 20.5 billion in 2022 to 64.6 billion in 2023. For me, is a pointer that yes, at the end of the day, investors in the Julius Berger are likely also to smile to the bank on the strength of hope, on the strength of the number posted so far by this company. These are the good things that every investor wants to see, because it will help you to know exactly what is happening, what in the market where you are put your money, and that's why we are all in the market to work to make money. It's good that you keep your eyes in the market to know exactly what is happening, and also want to look at what also what Wapco have done so far also within this period of 9 months. Look at Wapco results. I would say that Wapco results, so the top line is not bad, but the bottom line was saying that you call it a missed number. This missed number tells also what will become at the end of the day. Already you are seeing a missed number from from the figure. It tells you at the end of the day, are you expecting to see a better dividend from Wapco, or it just the same thing they paid last year? Don't forget that this is a company that have tried to do in trade dividend, and because market do not react to it, they have to go back to their 2 naira. They pay 1 naira at the interim, and at the end of the day, it pays another 1 naira. See, market do not react. It's like they gone back towards paying one. That's why we are not seeing them sustaining their interim dividend policy. But on the strength, the number we have seen so far, are we expecting that this company also sustain that the dividend policy also this period? Very, very critical that we will know, so that you also ask yourself, is it worth waiting in this company right now, or I should exit my position and come back later? These are the things we should ask ourselves as well as investors, and also as traders. We also know this also is very, very important that we have it at the back of our mind. But once you have that, it's going to also help you to know exactly what to do and not at this period. Yes, if you look at the top line or the revenue for Wapco or Julius Berger, for Wapco or Lafarge, it moved from 269.85 billion to 289.1 billion. This is good. Consider that it is also looking good, up marginally. You can also Also, if you look at the profit after tax, that dropped from 44.9 billion in 2022 to 39.3 billion in 20. This is more than 50% drop. You can see it here on the number that is showing, and this also translates to a lower earning per share, which also you are interested, I'm interested of construction. If that happen, that also will support the company in terms of sales. But let's see, don't forget the price war that is in the industry between Boa and Dangote, and also invariably is involved because it's also the same business. If they are seeing cheaper stock, cheaper goods compared to what Lafarge is selling, imagine what last quarter would look like. But if there's improvement, it's going to also tell. But the good thing that if I look at the robust the balance sheet of this company is very, very robust. I'll say that because I see that their net assets is also looking up for the period of 9 months for Lafarge, which is good. Operating cash flow. So I'll tell you this is very, very strong for Lafarge. Lafarge operating cash flow have moved from 53 billion in 2022 to 97.3 billion. You can see this is a good one, but more as I said, you must look at where the earnings going and what the operation. But if we are seeing a kind of a slide down in profit after tax, and we are seeing operating cash flow increasing, let's see whether there will be a turnaround in this last quarter of the company. This is what we also will consider. And don't forget that their dividend has paid for 2 naira for almost 2 years now. They're going to pay the next year, they're going to pay this year, and price has gone up. What we like? Are they going to have a better number to pay a higher dividend? These are the things also to consider, in Lafarge as we speak. But this is the third quarter. We expect to see their full year in the first quarter of 2020. We are still on the account in January, while audited account will be coming on or before what at the 1st of March next year. Yes, let's come back to what is happening right away in the market. It's good that look at our market and see the state of the market before we go to chart, most of our time. Look at the market now, I'll tell you as we speak now, index is still sustain a green light right away. Index is doing 70,907. That means index is heading to that 71,000 that we discussed 2 days ago on channels, and also one of the live class also. You can see the market is heading there, but we'll tell you the strength of the market, what the momentum we want to see. Yet it's market entering a stage of overbought. Is the market going to correct now? That's why I say market is still making new high. And when the market correction is bound to happen, that's why I say you must factor correction or what pullback, sell off, or merge, I need to call it into your plan. So when market pull back, you are prepared already. Not that when it's okay, you'll be panicking to sell. And when we are panicking, we are bound to move or to make mistake. Speaking of market is up by 57.78 basic point, about 0.6 is about 0.1 or 0.7. What we're saying now, that's a 0.07. Accumulated with 0.1 in terms of approximation. But as we speak now, this is the state of the market. And if you look at market bread is marginally also positive. We're seeing 18 gainers right now against 15 losers. You can see that market is still in a positive terrain with the market inching up to 0.07. Also, we are seeing a positive market rate. These are the state of the market. Quickly look at the top gainers of the market. As we speak now, start from the losers. We are seeing that the UPDC has pulled back again this morning, followed by Jacob Gold profit taking. We are seeing PZ also profit taking, and also we are seeing Ella Lake and what and Chaps. These are the top losers right now in the market. We now flip toward to the gainers chart. On the top 5 gainers, we are seeing ROT Briscoe leading, followed by Deep Capital. We are seeing Tantalizer, C Analyzing, and Wando. Apart from Wando, other ones are penny stock. We also need to watch. And when you see penny stock going up, don't force it up because these are very volatile stock that can take you up and bring you down. That means when you see opportunity to sell, as I say, you must have a plan. That won't be greedy. When you see opportunity to exit, you exit. The up market for you to sell to up market and buy toward a down market. If you follow all this, I'll tell you your mistake or your risk management will improve. Your mistake will reduce and your risk management will improve, and you cannot remain on the winning side of the market. In terms of volume, we see that this morning, the is leading in volume with a 28.6 million share traded so far, followed by UBA trading around the 2080 to about 19.6 million share traded. Jais Bank at 164, 11.6 million share traded, and Itico flat at 36 naira, 11.5 million share traded, and MB Nigeria Blue Whale 11 million share traded so far. This is the state of the market. Quickly go to our chart to see what is happening there. That we'll take some start and watch that before because of our time. That we can also come back and stay with time. Let's see what is happening right away now. As we speak, you look at the chart is making what? The market is making what? Higher high. The market is already heading for what? For 71 mark. The market is being at 70,700 and what? 907. Sorry, 70,907. I mean, the market is already hitting the 71,000 mark, which we discussed on Channel TV. Is it not on Tuesday or Wednesday last week? You can even see it here going towards that direction, which is good. But as market is now, you want us to look at what's the volume now. The volume this morning is relatively low, but I'll tell you in the previous week we saw improved volume, but we're seeing high volume. For me, it's a sign, a signal that yes, we might see that international investors that have done diligence on the numbers are gradually coming back to the market. But I believe that they are waiting to see what the future figure will look like, and also what the final decision of the monetary policies being the last MPC meeting for the year to usher to the new year, what so that they can know how to position their portfolio between now and what and end of the year. I think that's why we are seeing gradual but volume telling us that we are gradually coming back to the market, because I've seen improved volume compared to what they did the previous, not this week, they did not last week, the previous. On that note, I can see that gradually. I told you they are not like a retail investor, they are not studios that part. They have to take time to analyze. Even most of them will still be doing, but some that started earlier might have started coming up with where they can increase their stake and also where they can also reduce their stake. That's why portfolio is balancing both for high net investor, student investor, retail investor will continue, and that's why you must see market up and down. But good one that we saw nearly green week last week, 5 straight weeks in green. But the period of Friday, that is 6 days. But now, market also starting this week on a green note. For me, it's a good one. But I know that the green next hour is very little, very flat. But let's wait and see what will open. But for me, it's a good one. The market is making higher high. Yes, let's call up our indicators before we start looking at at time frame and also an individual stocks. We quickly call normal. Let's call our T line here. Call our T line. Today we're looking at the RSI to see what is the state of the market. The market at the overbought region. We also want to see. Not saying that I say you should start panicking. No, at this point we are not panicking. We are going to make good investment decision with this, so that will guide us. We are not saying sell off because market is going to fall. No, but we must understand what we are doing in the market. That's why I want to call up the RSI. Yes, call it up now so that we can look at it. And also, I want to show you also what I use as a momentum indicator. Yes, but I think that MACD is a momentum indicator, RSI, all those even money flow. But the one I use that I know that is purely momentum indicator because of the how I created the index. That was I want to show you what the market is doing right away. Here you can see looking at the ET line. Market is above the ET line. You can see it here. If you see, I want to zoom it here so we can see what the state of the market is. You can see that market is above the T line. You can see where we are seeing market gradually eating up, breaking out this resistance level here. You can see the market has gone up here. For me, it's a good one, not a bad one for the market at all. You can see it going up this way, which is good. Which is good. You can see that as will let you know market is above the T line. You can see the distance here. For me, it's a good one. The market is in this direction. So let's quickly continue because of our time. We have seen that yes, and also if you look at the MACD is still bullish. But you can see that the histogram is already kind of descending towards the south. You can see that coming down, not accelerating, descending. And if this red, this blue line cross the red one, down, that also confirm what a bearish trend. These are the things we look at. And if you look at your money flow index, Google money flow index at 88 or 88.71. For me, it's a good one. You can see that even liquidity in the market has come for almost the same level we saw when the market break out around that May. You can see from here that market is that level right now. Liquidity in the market, I can see. And now come to your RSI. Who can actually put it here? I see where RSI is. RSI is already above 70, reading 77. can see here in between this range. You can see from here, from this 30, you can see to this level, 20 to 80. Okay, 20 to, you can see this level from here to here, where you have the dark shade. Once it's out of weight, is what we say over both region. But anything below this, this shade place we are seeing now is what we call the word over sold region. But where the market is now, and this is for what for RSI. But quickly, let's look at this indicator here. Yeah, you see the market here. This is at Friday. You can see where this is, our T line, the black line is our T line. You can see this line between the T line and the market, which is good for me. It's a strong one. But I feel that market is very strong at this point. But look at the momentum indicator that I use. The momentum in the market is still very, very strong. Like I said, when I say market to correct, I didn't think it's going to correct tomorrow or next tomorrow. But for you to prepare your mind that when market correct, which kind of stock I am, so that you know what to do. It must be defense. It must be in defensive stocks. Yes, if you are hedging against inflation, you also must hedge against what down market. You must hedge against what sell off. You must also hedge against pullback. Hedge how to stay stable or steady in the market. But if you are hedging against inflation alone, I want to come to the market to because it is returning higher. You might not get it fully, but as you are buying stock, you are buying those stocks that have some element of defensive nature, and also earnings are good. Although also even if they are good stock, but you know why them because you are timing what will happen and also how to jump out because you have a plan, you are trading. But if you are in the market, you don't have plan, you are guessing. That's why I say you must have a plan to store what afloat with the market. It's very, very important. Very, very important as you speak. That you must flow with the market so that you remain what on top of the market. But if you are not having plan, become a problem. You can even see it here. That's why I said, let me show you that the market is very strong. You can see where my momentum indicator is almost there, around the 100, which is good. You can see when you see it higher, better. That means there's no momentum. You can see that it's almost the same time when the market was even at the peak here. You can see it here now. When we go back to, let's see, let me call up more. You can see, look at like the May, the market breaker. You can see it here. This May, but I can see that where the index is. You can see where the momentum is. It maintained it. Even when it comes down here, it came down. It maintained it. You can see that it remained above it. We've been it for a long period of time. Even when it comes down, come up again, it touches. But now, market has remained that level. As from here to here, you can see it here. Since it came up from this rally, it remained up there. For me, there's strong momentum that we should watch here in the market. And also volume at this period has also look up a bit. Let's see what the volume here was higher. I can see volume this period. But we're seeing also volume trying to come up here. You can see it here down. Yes, let's go back to our chart. You can see the state of the market. Then let's look at what is the chart doing for the 1 hour chart now. On the 1 hour chart, market is flat on the market. You can see the on the money on the T line, market is flat here on the T line, and you can see that the MACD is already what we say is bearish on. You can see that all on that. And why money flow is still in at 66, for me that is still good, and also relatively not at oversold in the market. The market not oversold on 1 hour chart. That's why I say we must come look at all this to see exactly what the market is doing. If you look at 15-minute chart, you also to know exactly flat on the T line. You can see how long that remain on that T, on flat. They are not broken down, but also money flow is looking up, to read the 51. Sorry, 51. Yes, I'm right. And you can see where it is in terms of RSI, relative strength index. This index, there's where you can compare the market. This from terms of momentum, not in terms of the compared with other indices. You can see here that you can see where the market is. So look at 4 hours for the market. For my go to other stocks to look at what is happening. On 4 hours, I think the market is still above the T line too. You can see it here. How far the market has remained there. MACD almost the same pattern, but money flows also leading for 77. You can see it here, 77. Tell that fund in the market. RSI tell you that market also at about 81. You can see it tells you that the correction is underway, might not be immediately, but what I show you for the other chart, the momentum is strong. The matter might sustain the market till end of the year is possible because Santa Claus rally, another seasonality will start coming up after the NBC meeting, depending on where the pendulum swing to whether you're going to be hike or a pause, because the general trend in the economy, in the global economy and global central bank, we're seeing pause here and there. Let's see what Nigeria NBC committee will be doing in their own next meeting. Yes, because of our time, let's look at what is happening in FCMB. look at FCMB right away. FCMB and UBA. If that permits us, let's see what is happening there. FCMB. Yes, FCMB on the 4 hour side, you can slice above the 3 line. Even when try to resist, decline, you can see it here, go up. You can touch 7 naira again this morning, but around 670, 75 now. You can see this 4 hour chart. You can see that MACD is bullish. Money flow is also strong. So you can see that the stock has gone down almost below the distance of RSI. I mean, it's not at overbought region yet. At this moment now, start to move, but it's just slowing down. Let's watch the stock. I think there is potential in that stock also. Look at 1 hour chart for it. 1 hour chart, it came down below the T line. You can see it here now. You can see that MACD is already looking down, but not very straight away. And money flows around 50, looking down, and then RSI. If you look at UBA here also, UBA, and for most of our time, the UBA will be last if we consider our time in fact spent. Let's look at UBA is doing on 1 hour chart. On 1 hour chart, you can see that UBA is traded flat on T line, and not going to be and MACD is still bullish. Almost you can see it's bullish. The money flow is below this 1 hour chart is below what 50, and the RSI said no, there's still straight, but it's still coming up what around the 61 as we speak now. That's for 1 hour chart. Look at 4 hour chart for the stock. You can see for me this way that on a 4 hour chart, UBA is still strong above the T line, but looking at this formation of MACD, if MACD cross down here, it does touch after going up, but cross down now that will confirm a bearish MACD, a bearish MACD or a bear MACD. And money flow for me is still very strong at 76.31, good, and the momentum is still very strong for UBA around 71. Yes, when it crosses around 80, 70, you can see but right now the momentum is still very, very strong. Other information must also further push UBA from where it is now to a higher price. On this note, I will say thank you, see you tomorrow, and enjoy the rest of your trading day. Bye.